All right, I'm the flat rate master, and did you know RF paint is a thing? So a shop owner actually posted in a group that he bought RF blocking paint. If you don't know what RF stands for, it's radio frequencies. That would be what cell phones operate on. That's what Wi-Fi operates on. He bought it to paint the shop bathroom with RF paint because his hourly techs are spending too much time in there. What? Just what? I mean, my first thought is get better employees. The fact of the matter is if you've got to chase them out of the bathroom, you've got serious problems with the quality of your techs. I get beat up on, flat rate. A good hourly tech is going to produce. Well, that's kind of what I have seen in my time with hourly techs is they really don't. But your mileage will vary, of course, because everybody's different. But it's just insane that that is actually a thing. Now, the shop manager at this shop actually told a story when he worked for a tire chain that he took the bathroom door off the hinges to prevent his hourly guys from, camping in there, which I don't really do much in there during the course of the day, but I still would have quit immediately. Just saying. Loober Goober here. Let's talk about how to get around that RF blocking paint. My boss put RF blocking paint in the bathroom. Now all I can do in there is take a nap. Can't watch my shows no more. Can't watch the TikToks. Sucks. So we're going to talk about how to get around all that. First off, there's this thing called YouTube Premium. Now this takes a little bit of work and a little bit of money. But what you do is you pay for YouTube Premium. That means you can download all your shows and you don't need no Wi-Fi to watch all your Cletus McFarlanes and all that kind of stuff. You can just sit there and watch it as long as you want. Now also, you can download movies and TV shows from other things. Google. So you can sit there on the company dollar watching Joe Dirt. I mean, what's better than that? Sitting there getting paid to watch the best movie ever made, Joe Dirt. If you actually want to watch the TikToks, you're going to have to take a different strategy than going to the bathroom. What I mean by that is you got to be real careful. You got to find a nice, quiet place where they can't see you, on all them cameras and stuff. And then you can get on your phone and watch all the TikToks you want. You just got to keep looking around, making sure you ain't getting caught. Because, you get caught, you get in trouble. Just saying. So, that's some ways you can get around that RF blocking paint because, it sucks. Now all I can do, unless I take some time and download my shows, all I can do in there is take me a nap. Come on, a nap. I mean, that's not bad, but, still. I'd rather be watching my TikToks and my Joe Dirt. Which reminds me, I'm on Wi-Fi. I got to download some shows because, I'm feeling the need to have to use the facilities, if you know what I'm saying.
Loober Goober, get your butt to work.
What, man? I'm pooping. I'm sorry, man. I eat a lot of cheese. It takes me a while to go. I'm sorry, man. I'll be out as soon as I can. I know we got waiters, but I'm pooping. So your takeaway from this video is you need to understand there's ways around it. All you're doing is being an a-hole. One, find better employees that value their job, pay them well, because chances are he's not. Just saying, guess. But I'm just saying, probably not paying them all that well. If you treat them right, they'll want to do a good job for you. Treat them like crap, like putting RF paint in a bathroom. You're going to get what you pay for. Just saying. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.